I just wanted to jump on and give you a really quick tutorial on how I put together my Easter Bunny gift card holders. That is this little guy here. And you can see his paws, he has a little spot where he'll actually hold a gift card. Just pop it in there. So you can actually use him as a decoration like the month leading up to Easter, and then Easter morning with a little surprise, you can just pop the gift cards in and he'll just hold them. I like to add the personalization on the base so that the bunny is just a little simpler, not quite as busy. It's really cute though when he stands up. I don't glue them just so people can store them easier and then they can reuse them each year. But for the assembly, there's your backer, which comes scored. So it shows you exactly where all the parts and pieces go, pretty much like a puzzle. All of my parts and pieces I spray paint or stain after I engrave them. So as long as you're doing a light coat, the spray paint actually doesn't go in your engraved areas and it gives it a really clean finish, really easy to do. If you're just wanting to do a bunny decor without the gift card holder, you just leave off these little extra paw pieces and he's just a single layer bunny. To add the gift card holder, all it is an additional little paw piece with these little inserts. So they just glue on and they go directly, you just line them up with this bottom paw and it gives you that little pocket to put the gift card in. And that's it.